Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beauty, the easiest cheesecake that you will ever make, vegan of course. Let's see how to make it. First passage for the filling is to put the cashew nuts in a big bowl and pour boiling water on them and leave them to soak for half an hour. Switch on the oven at 180 degrees. Put your digestive cookies inside a food processor and just reduce them to a powder. If you don't have a food processor, just do it with your hands, it is fine. When you have reduced them to a powder, you can just put them inside a big bowl and proceed to melt the butter. You can melt it in a pan. I'm gonna melt it in the microwave. Once the butter is melted, you can add it to the cookies powder and just mix very well together. It has to be very well mixed, as this is gonna be the base of the cake. When you have mixed everything well together, you can get 24 centimeters cake tin and just put the mix of butter and cookies at the bottom. Spread it all around, and using something that is flat, you can start to level the base of the cake. When all leveled, you can put it inside the oven and let it cook for 8 minutes. Once 30 minutes passed, just drain the cashew nuts and put them in a food processor together with the other ingredients. Lemon juice, lemon zest, coconut oil and maple syrup. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. And process on a high speed until it is completely smooth. Okay, when the cream is smooth, you can put it on the top of the cake and just level it properly. Just try to level it as smooth as you can. Okay, and now you can cover it with a lid and put it 2 hours in the freezer. Or if you are not in a hurry, just leave it overnight in the fridge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to TB Studio UK channel. I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much for me.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.